Welcome back to News at 9. President Biden announcing today a blanket pardon for all federal convictions of simple marijuana possession. The move could expunge the records of thousands of people in the U.S., but it fails to clear any marijuana offenses at the state level. Our Parker Paget is live in Springfield tonight. Parker, break this down for us. What does this mean for folks here in Missouri?
Yeah, Bailey, I spoke to a couple legal experts who say that this move is trending in the right direction for those affected, but isn't really moving the needle for decriminalizing marijuana. President Biden's pardon on federal simple marijuana possession charges will help thousands of people nationwide.
I think it's an easy fix for the president, and I think it's a great move.
But what about in Southwest Missouri?
I actually don't think there's a single person in prison right now on this charge.
Price says in her career, charges like this have been on the state level, not federal.
I've been practicing in federal court since 1993. I think I might have had one simple possession case, but they are very, very rare. It just doesn't happen.
Biden has also called on state governors to issue similar pardons. Defense attorney Adam Woody says pardons on the state level would be more impactful.
If you go and pay a fine for a marijuana charge, from that point forward, you have to put on any job application that asks, have you ever been convicted of a felony or misdemeanor? The answer at that point would be yes. No doubt there are people there that this could have a big impact on, again, if it comes down to the state level.
Governor Parson issued a statement this afternoon saying President Biden's action is limited to individuals who violated federal law and does not implicate state law in any way. In Missouri, those with criminal records can apply for expungement under state law. Woody says come November, a pardon from the governor may no longer be needed.
The ballot measure in November would essentially eliminate this argument completely. If the ballot measure were to pass, there would be no need for a pardon. It would fully legalize marijuana recreationally in the state of Missouri. And a portion of the ballot language, I believe, also pardons anyone who has been convicted of marijuana in the past. So that would essentially do what President Biden did today at the state level.
Governor Asa Hutchinson in Arkansas issued a statement this afternoon. He says President Biden has waved a flag of surrender in the fight against drug abuse and says the Department of Justice shouldn't issue blanket pardons, but should rather look at every person on a case-by-case basis. Reporting live in Springfield, Parker Paget, Ozarks First.